Hello, good afternoon viewers. It has been a while that we solve a problem that is related to integration. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be integrating this function here. So if you are new here, consider subscribing, press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new content. And don't forget to share to your learning colleagues. Okay, let's get started. This function is a product of two functions. You can see we have one here and we have another here. So whenever you have product, you are free to apply integration by parts. But I think applying integration by algebraic substitution is more simpler because of this function of a function. This function entirely is a function with respect to x. So we want to transform this function entirely to another function in terms of other variables. So let's start. We can use u, v, different variables. So let this function under the bracket be equal to u. So we say u is equal to 3 plus e to the x. So we have du to be equal to, if you differentiate constant, you get 0. If you differentiate e to any function, it is the same thing as e to that function multiplied by the derivative of the function, and the derivative of x here is 1, so it will not change anything here. And we have dx. Okay, you can see in our function we have dx, but we want to write everything in terms of u, so we can replace dx with another function in terms of u. So we can make it the subject here, so dx will be equal to 1 over e to the power of x du. Okay, now let us substitute this information here. This becomes integral of e to the x multiplied by u, because we have let this to be equal to u, but this u is raised to the power of 4. So we have u to the power of 4. Then dx, which is exactly the same thing as 1 over e to the x du. Let us simplify before we go further with our integration. You can see this e to the x will cancel this e to the x. What we have left is just u to the power of 4 multiplied by du. So our integration is now in terms of u only. We have u to the power of 4 du. Okay, now let us go ahead and integrate this function with respect to u. This becomes, this power will increase by 1 and you have to divide by the result. So this becomes u to the power of 5 divided by 5 again. If you differentiate this function, then you are free to add your constant of integration. So let us do back substitution because our initial function is in terms of x. You can see from here our u is 3 plus e to the x. So we replace that. Now we can have 1 over 5 here as I factor 5 out. And this u is now the same thing as 3 plus e to the x raised to the power of 5. So we have 5 here. Then plus the constant of integration. And hence, this is the solution to this integration. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.